Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to change the size of the mouse pointer. By default, it's this small. So here on the search button, left click and write mouse settings. Then click it here. Then it will bring you to this page. Scroll a little bit and under the related settings, you'll see mouse pointer and touch. Left click here and then you'll be able to see the size. By default, it's set to be this small, but if you want, you can increase it. See, the mouse pointer is much bigger now. You can do much bigger if you want, but I think 3 is fine. 2, even 2 is fine. Most people, they will use the number 1. And this is how you change the mouse pointer on Windows 11. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.